A government land surveyor plays a crucial role in ensuring accurate and reliable information regarding land boundaries and property ownership. In Lucknow, the capital city of Uttar Pradesh in India, individuals and organizations seeking to establish legal rights over land often rely on the expertise of government land surveyors. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys, measurements, and assessments to determine the exact boundaries of a piece of land. By using advanced equipment and techniques, they accurately measure and map the land, creating detailed reports and records that are essential for legal purposes. One company that provides top-notch land surveying services in Lucknow is Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. With their team of skilled and experienced surveyors, they offer comprehensive land surveying solutions for both private and government clients. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of precise land measurements in various sectors such as real estate, infrastructure development, and urban planning. Government land surveyors in Lucknow, such as those employed by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, are highly knowledgeable about the local laws and regulations pertaining to land ownership and boundaries. They stay updated with the latest developments in the field of land surveying and ensure that their surveys adhere to the highest standards of accuracy and professionalism. In conclusion, a government land surveyor plays a vital role in accurately determining land boundaries and property ownership. In Lucknow, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a reputable company that offers comprehensive surveying services to both private and government clients. With their skilled team of surveyors and commitment to delivering accurate results, they are an excellent choice for anyone seeking reliable land surveying solutions in Lucknow. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading architectural and engineering consultancy firm based in Lucknow. With a strong reputation for delivering high-quality and innovative solutions, the company has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. One of the key services provided by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the expertise of their government land surveyors. DIA Pvt Ltd play a crucial role in various projects, including urban planning, infrastructure development, and property assessment. Their team of government land surveyors is well versed in the relevant laws and regulations governing land surveys in Lucknow. They work closely with clients, understanding their requirements and objectives to provide tailored solutions. The company's commitment to delivering accurate and reliable survey data has earned them a reputation for excellence in the industry. When it comes to government land surveying in Lucknow, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a reliable partner. Their team of skilled surveyors ensures that every project is executed with precision and efficiency, providing clients with essential information needed for decision-making and project planning.